Hello, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. I'm sure all of you are taking good care of yourself, your family, and our little children. This lockdown came up very suddenly to us. Hence, we could not meet each other in the real world. Yes, we had been meeting each other in the virtual world. Thank you, parents, for helping us work on this online learning platform, the virtual platform, which was very new, not only to us, to you as well, and definitely it was very exciting and new to this new little generation. All this time we had been doing all the learning, and then comes now the time of assessment. Assessment was a very challenging area. We had two options. या हम इस assessment को छोड़ देते जो बहुत easy aspect था, या हम इस assessment को accept करते, which was challenging, and we accepted it. So now is the time when we have moved towards the assessment of these children. इस assessment को ध्यान में रखते हुए कुछ questions हमारे दिमाग में उठे, parents ने भी हमारे सामने रखे, teachers के भी दिमाग में ये कुछ questions आए. क्या ये fair assessment होगी? Will it not generate lot of cheating in the children? How much can we authenticate the results? And on all these questions, as a parent, I would like to ask you कि कितनी देर हम लोग हमेशा खुद को या अपने बच्चों को ये सिखाएंगे कि हमें किसी और के हाथ की कठपुतली बन के चलना है, क्योंकि एक टीचर तुम्हारे सिर पे खड़ी होगी तभी तुम्हें एक फेयर एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बैठना है. My dear parents, it is the time where we teach the honesty and integrity, self-control and self-discipline. This is the time of the best connect with all of you, along with your children. This is the time where we have to teach them that it's not only the marks which matters. सिर्फ नंबर लेना ही हमारा ultimate aim नहीं होता है, बल्कि उन नंबरों तक पहुंचने वाला रास्ता भी उतना ही जरूरी होता है. So it's the route also which is very important. So this success can either be achieved by answering the questions themselves or by taking help from any unfair means. कि स्कूल टाइम पर भी जब ये एग्जाम्स में बैठते हैं तो जब इनके नंबर इनके सामने आते हैं तो उस टाइम पर नंबर देख के ये टीचर को खुश करने की कोशिश नहीं करते. इनका क्राइटेरिया होता है क्या मेरे मम्मा खुश होंगे, क्या पापा खुश होंगे. और जब नंबर कम आते हैं तो ये टीचर से इतना ज्यादा नहीं डरते जितना इस सोच से डरते हैं कि क्या मम्मा डांटेंगे या पापा पिटाई करेंगे. So this is the time where you have to bridge up the gap. You have to tell them that even if they score little less, they can always improve. This is the time to have self-assessment. जो मैंने सीखा उस चीज को assess करने का मौका है, ताकि जो चीजें हमें समझ नहीं आई आने वाले टाइम में हम उन चीजों पर और मेहनत करें. और जाते जाते छोटी सी बात और कहूंगी कि जो ये रिवॉर्ड है यही हमसे कोई भी मेहनत करवाता है. If we get a reward pre-hand, we will never be able to work on a harder terrain. तो यानी अगर आप चाहते हैं कि इनको लाइफ टाइम रिवॉर्ड्स ये अचीव करें तो इन्हें आज मेहनत करने दीजिए, इन्हें आज एक फेयर एग्जामिनेशन में बैठने दीजिए. You all had been, fantastic parents. You supported us by becoming their teachers and class teachers during this virtual platform. My humble request to each one of you, please become their invigilators. Help us to conduct this examination in a very fair manner. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you very much.